Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily download FIFA 23 on your Android. Let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android phone. Now in the search bar at the top, type FIFA 23 and hit search. Here you'll see the EA Sports FC mobile app. This is basically the official FIFA 23 mobile version, just rebranded by EA. Now simply tap on it and then tap on the install button. Wait for a few moments while it downloads and installs on your phone. Once done, tap open and that's it. You can now start playing and enjoy FIFA on your Android. Now that's the first official method using the Play Store. But there's another way you can try if you can't find it on Play Store or if it's not available in your region. For the second method, open your Chrome browser and search for FIFA 23 download for Android. You'll see several websites. Scroll down until you find one like Latest Mod APK or other trusted APK websites. Open that website and you'll see a download link for FIFA 23 Mod APK and OBB file. Tap on the download button and it will start downloading the game to your phone. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss more tutorials like this.